Guys, if you're wanting to make a lot of money on social media, I highly suggest following this girl on TikTok. Her name is Bellsexplores. And the reason why I'm going to show you her videos is it's very, very easy. It takes zero skill. You don't have to edit anything. You could literally pump out 10, 20 videos a day, rack up millions of views, and you could make money on Facebook bonus program. And if you're in the TikTok creator fund and even Instagram and YouTube, you could be making thousands of dollars a day basically by doing simple videos like this. So I wanted to share with you because I want my YouTube channel to be more specifically about strategies and how to make money with social media. So I'm going to show you her strategy.
Exploring Australia until it's ugly. Let's first go to Sydney. Okay, this is pretty. Not ugly. Melbourne. Ooh, that's actually really cool art. I like that.
So that's really all she does. She uses Google Earth and she'll literally click on a country. I'll go to a TikTok page because I think it's very, very important, which is, so her thing is called Bellsexplores. I think Bellsexplores. Now, what I find interesting is, let me go over. So we'll go to her most popular video. So her most popular is 17 million, 4 million, 4 million, 3 million, 2 million, 3 million. Let's just go over the India one.
Okay, let's explore India until it's ugly.
So that's all that she says. Let's explore country until it's ugly.
Okay. Not ugly.
So guys, do you think you could do this on your computers? Go on googleearth.com, search for different countries or different states or whatever, and do this. You could literally be making thousands of dollars a day if you're monetized with Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You could be making thousands of dollars a day by racking up millions and millions of views per day on these platforms by doing videos like this. And I've just showed you that her most viral video got 17 million views. So that's not even including what the views that she's getting on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. So let's just say this person's getting about 100 million views on, per month. That's going to be, $500 a day, maybe $2,000 a day, depending on the cost of the revenue per million impressions. But I've given you something very, very simple that you can do at home. I'm telling you, if you go hard on this for 30 days, you will make money if you're monetized. People love watching stuff like this, especially if it's your country, because you want to know if anyone finds your country ugly. And the good thing about these videos is you want to keep watching, but it's so easy to do. You don't need to become a copywriter. You don't need to become a marketer. You don't need any skill whatsoever. You just go on Google Earth, you use OBS like I'm using right now, and you film your screen or your camera, you film the computer screen, or you can use your mobile, and you just pump out 10 videos a day. That's how easy it is, guys. Like this video if you found it helpful. Drop a comment. Follow me because I'm building my channel, and I'll be doing more videos like this to help you make more money online. See you in the next video.